following message was transmitted at the request by the Pueblo Police Department. A law enforcement warning has been issued for the following counties in Colorado: Baca, Bend, Crowley, Huerfano, Kiowa, Los Animas, Otero, Prowers, and Pueblo, and the following counties in Oklahoma, Cimarron, and the following counties in New Mexico, Union. At approximately 12:06 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, an unknown creature has been destroying property and life in the following cities but are not limited to Lamar, Pueblo, Springfield, Boise City, Holly, Clayton, and La Junta. There have been reports of huge burrows underground, possibly being the creature's burrow. Tune in on more local media outlets for more information.
Hello guys, I'm in my underground bunker where I'm hiding from the creature. No, I don't know what the creature is, but I'm just hiding in case. I have emergency supplies and explosions and firearms. So I think I'll be safe from the creature for now. So, what am I gonna say? So, let's see. Let's be tuned for other emergency alert systems and see further updates on the situation.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the Colorado government. This is a civil danger warning for all of southeastern Colorado until further notice. The unknown creature is identified as a giant snake. It is 178 feet in length and it is 12 feet tall in height. The burrows are the giant snakes and the sheriffs died in there. Do not seek shelter in basements because the giant snake breaks walls and kills you. Tune in on more local media outlets for more information.
Hello everyone, this is Jeff Dawes, and today we are reporting on breaking news in southeastern Colorado. So, we have a giant snake that's 178 feet long and 12 feet in height. So, it's been destroying people and property and animals, and there's just a lot of burrows on the ground because the dirt is soft and the soil as well. So the cost of life, sorry, my speech is all sloppy. The death toll is 178 and it's expected to rise soon. So our prayers are sent out to southeastern Colorado, and I'm so bad at reporting on news.
message was transmitted at the request of the Colorado government. This is a civil danger warning for all of eastern Colorado. The giant snake, now named Titaniboa, has killed 1,972 people and injured 7,282 people. Most of the deaths has been caused due to the people hiding in basements while the snake digs its burrows. La Junta and Sterling have been completely demolished by the Titaniboa. The only way to stop or distract the Titaniboa is explosives like grenades, dynamites, and bombs. The United States government will send in troops and the National Guard to kill of the Titaniboa. Tune in on more local media outlets for more information. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Colorado government. This is an administrative message for eastern Colorado. The Titaniboa died from a tank that exploded. You may come out of your shelters and continue your daily routine. Tune in on more local media outlets for more information.